When it comes to dating or reading signals of attraction from an older woman, there can be subtle nuances that differ from younger women. Typically, older women are more experienced, direct, and confident in their approach. They may not have the same insecurities or hesitations younger people often have, and they're more likely to show genuine interest if they're attracted to someone. Here are 10 clear signs an older woman is attracted to you, breaking down how to recognize and understand these cues. 1. She makes an effort to stay in touch. If an older woman regularly reaches out to you, initiates conversations, or makes an effort to stay in touch, it's a clear sign she's interested. Mature women generally don't waste time if they're not genuinely interested. Her reaching out could be as simple as sending you a text or checking in to see how your day is going. If she's maintaining a regular line of communication, that's a strong indicator of her attraction. 2. She makes time for you. Older women tend to have busy schedules, often filled with work, family obligations, and other priorities. If she rearranges her time to see you or makes an effort to include you in her life, it's a sign she values your company. When an older woman is interested, she'll find ways to fit you into her schedule, whether it's grabbing coffee, sharing lunch, or spending an afternoon together. Her willingness to prioritize you over other commitments shows a level of investment in your connection. 3. She compliments you and notices the little things. Compliments from an older woman often carry extra weight because they're generally sincere and specific. If she compliments your appearance, character, or achievements, she's likely expressing genuine admiration. An older woman attracted to you will also pay close attention to details, noticing small changes like a new haircut or the way you carry yourself. Compliments and attention to small things are her way of showing she's interested and engaged. 4. She gets a little flirty or playful. Older women have often moved past the stage of hiding their interest and might openly flirt with you, albeit in a subtle, playful way. Her flirting may not be as overt as younger women. It might be through witty banter, playful teasing, or a meaningful smile. Watch for touches on the arm, extended eye contact, or lighthearted jokes that indicate she enjoys being around you. Her flirty demeanor suggests she's intrigued and possibly testing the waters. 5. She asks about your goals and aspirations. One of the hallmarks of attraction for mature women is their interest in who you are beyond surface-level traits. If an older woman asks about your goals, dreams, or long-term plans, she's indicating she sees potential for something meaningful. Older women are often interested in knowing if their interests align with yours, especially if they're considering you for a serious connection. Asking about your future aspirations shows she's considering compatibility and has a genuine interest in your life. 6. She shares personal stories and opens up. An older woman attracted to you may open up and share personal stories about her life, past relationships, or even her challenges. Sharing these details indicates she trusts you and feels a connection. This can be a powerful signal because it shows she's letting her guard down, which isn't something older women usually do with just anyone. By sharing her personal side, she's inviting you to understand her better, a sign of growing intimacy and trust. 7. She finds ways to make physical contact. Physical touch is one of the most unmistakable signs of attraction. If she places her hand on your shoulder, gives you a hug, or touches your arm when laughing, it's often a sign she feels comfortable and drawn to you. Older women tend to be more intentional with touch, so these gestures are likely meaningful rather than accidental. Such physical cues can indicate she's attracted to you and is creating a sense of closeness. 8. She pays attention to your interests and tries to share them. A mature woman interested in you may go out of her way to understand your hobbies and interests and even participate in them. If you mention a favorite sport, book, or activity, and she later brings it up or suggests doing it together, it's a strong sign she wants to connect with you on a deeper level. Older women know that shared interests build stronger bonds, and her willingness to engage in your hobbies shows she's invested in developing a meaningful connection. 9. She talks about the future together, even casually. Older women often have a strong sense of direction in life. If she talks about future plans that include you, even if it's something small, like planning a day trip or attending an event together, she's signaling that she wants you in her life longer term. Mature women don't typically play around with intentions, so casual mentions of the future are often purposeful. These small hints are a way of gauging your interest and seeing if you envision spending more time with her. 10. She shows up with thoughtful gestures. When an older woman likes you, she may show it through thoughtful gestures that reflect her attentiveness to your needs. Whether it's bringing you coffee, remembering your favorite snack, or offering help when you need it, these actions signal her caring nature. Older women understand the power of small acts of kindness and use them to communicate affection. Her thoughtfulness is a clear sign that she's interested and willing to show it through meaningful actions. Understanding the signs of attraction from an older woman involves reading a combination of verbal, emotional, and physical cues. Older women are generally more honest and direct, making it easier to identify when they're genuinely interested. However, everyone has unique ways of showing affection, so it's essential to pay attention to the overall pattern of her behavior rather than focusing on just one or two signs. If you're seeing several of these signs, it's a strong indication that she's interested in you. Embrace her openness, and if you're equally interested, respond in a way that acknowledges her feelings and respects her authenticity.